Yo! I have from our call about media. So what I say, entertainment. What I say, today is going to be a wonderful day and a wonderful day ever. Me say, Cypher will be quite different level. It's going to be one of the best Cypher ever have been made here in Bono East region. So what I say. And now we have a special guest who has here. First, I want to tell you this, bro, sister. So we are upcoming artists, so we are gospel artists and as hip life artists. Master, or more around you, they know say you are good, but they are not doing anything to help you. So what I say, and against media, against entertainment, they are by the Cypher be a bro. Cypher and can the woman say Cypher and can rap battle be nipa me international or more year rap challenge. But when we are recruiting almost about you recruit 25 people from hip life, 25 people from gospel side. Now the more money now be into the battle. So what I say, it's going to be dope. What I say, and then me guess oh Charlie. Me guess Chabo, when him first we always be on second video I share. What I say, not like it. No more offense to Shabby. Send the man on for share two group who page mu. Now Uncle say, the team we are moving forward. So what I say. At the same time, I also subscribe to your YouTube channel. The young who said you are in support of us, in need for more than anything. I'm real. So what is the matter I say? And then a special guest. They say open to my penny. Don't worry. Oh hi we're very dope. A band of raps, new music star. Master, I think the guy is good. So what is the channel say? When you say move be na atini din. What I say? Me say the move who come put nyamba. And then me guess now I say Nana one. What I say? Me Nana one no studio ha. What I say? And then dope. And then dope. Yeah? To watch it, be pension no man. What am I trying to say? Charlie, and then who black to me and blind and I want better nas in the pension some more. And I ne. No more cover, but at a media. Some catch you. Some men na one and never ha. Nana, I'm a call back in media. Charlie Mamboza. Hey!
Coronavirus, mommy.
Masa, coronavirus is a COVID-19. Or so on Quada, they go to them. As we name no cra. You go point here, Sinti. Masa, you bought Korean Sasa, Unya. Hey, Nana one. Boko dear. Kalkum. Ejia Coco, Java Bedu. Charlie, Boko dear.
Yamiado Boko now, say.
Charlie, Fabos. Hey, it's my say, yes, a white GB.
Hey, Yamiado Jumaka Kana.
Yes. Okay, Nana, if I has a young bunny and one thing is in life, you say, busy to the amateur, Ubin will be a friend side in Aqua, what I say. And no moon show has seen, or being this, Nana one a bit me, a bit now, sure. Massa, everything is possible. What I say. The also one is a massa. My yes, no, you know, work hard. Work harder. Not you won't be the person and you go outside looking for somebody to help you. They will come looking for you.
Very true.
So what I say. Nana one. About a Cypher ye host here when you are jailed the Honey Send out to Unifa.
Frankly speaking, make us a bomb basso age my palm because me first like me did kind and now me I got some na mini interest but me buy like maybe me commission feed good ha yes we your friend say we say obema
Quite
see me buy me bet tea ni dem say kai mu ye adwuma na nyamehia ma na ewa akoma pana mo boy because hanom media no mo mboae
Charlie
nti ma ba ne yeso ye beso mu adwuma na mo de aba ne ye beso mu
somewhat confirmation we are not joking here, we are serious to help you guys. All you got to do, bring your hard work, prove to us, bring everything that you got. We are going to hold you. What I say, Obuano Bana say a media very expensive in there. You are going to spend a lot of money before you come have a seat. Maybe I just say, Oba have a seat, Oba cash.
No, Obian charging me because they are looking for craft to help. So what I say, me person make a sabi breed.
Forget about it. My mom will say, on second video where you have to share the video, like the video, go YouTube channel, and subscribe to your YouTube channel. What I say, like if you are dumb so send a always be around say the video tuma ubenya video na actually what I say. Let's move on to minute number one conversation, sir. Number one. Charlie, if you bring himself with another one, no, Okofa.
Well, ever Nana ni me Nana ne demand.
Okay.
Yeah, and I mean mostly in the time of mission and maybe in Penisam Dada. So yeah, people call me Nana, but not Dini and Nana.
Yeah.
But boys now say get to life, ni streets life, ni tiom bibi a person branding and tiom na refer Nana one. Yenya be Dino, but not Dina Casade and Nana. No more than one so.
Maybe no being the TF and one and another one, and watch us some night. I'm not saying about Nana. Then we need genuine to him.
Well, you to maybe who is sending to I say calling like Yamia do much. They said they are so funny. I'm a friend. And you may idea be showing and I'm a per time I started saying because I saw you and we started singing at church and those kind of things. Tioko SS in the school, 17 me concentrate or banana entertainment times near any maybe no but. If free school I buy and who say no, this is what I can do. Go me tonight who said then I see a meeting my ass some year but me who send him to meet me so why don't I focus on the music and do it? So then the coffee and I buy.
Okay, that's cool. Good. Would if I sorry them the free street now we say no Charlie, I can do something and I would the courage can hold out the so they say what style of music then?
Well me sometimes I don't have a style of music. I do music according to my emotions. Because me say baby and I mean say me when you baby on that's what it's more or less more than a gospel. But maybe I'll be on a hip life beat, high life beat, me hip life, high life, Afro pop, gospel. Yeah, it's me a versatile when it comes to music. Every side be a me but mostly me a rapper.
Okay. Rappers go Maza, we are make rap what to my niggas on the block, yo. When you maybe number one, who fishing pan listen.
Well, my vision is mostly my teaching same baby. Sometimes it's very disgusting. Say, untimate na buni East Hanuma na Teshima Hanumum Blue. It's me vision. And say, if they are talking about good rappers and our best 5 rappers in Ghana and Africa, you will be a free Techimana, Nameka home. It's me vision.
Charlie, I like of them, many of them because you be that passion because Obi never be on like I say, oh, Techimana say you can't blow mass is within you. So to say this, I mean, if I tell you one young phantom, what I say, 3-1 by 3-1 on your bunny. What I say, but about Bono, no, but never say, Bono say in the power I say, I would be free. In Kitchum, I would drug a CM. So what I say, I'm waiting one the whole teaching man. Because the whole Puna half, yeah, kind the biggest mother care in Puna half. It's still mother care. What I say, it's the biggest mother care. What Bunny East has say. What I'm trying to say, and the courage now when you and the vision when you now person your master, you will surely get there.
Thank you very much.
Say, Indian say, Uber perspective are working very hard on the cipher. Who get to the right spot now, master? We are going to help you to get there. Master, and more boom will be beyond. Master, Obia man come and 20 years. And more will be and discourage you from what you are good at. So what I say, master. So, be discourage you or China be because me and you'll be now one away because Habemu Bui or a summer will be kind of the boo or what I say. Stay strong and stay vim. So, what I'm trying to say. Okay, and I want my freestyle. So I say because freestyle all my freestyle nuggets are my freestyle. If I say freestyle in the bathroom, but I would tell them. Challenges are all facing in this music.
Well, make us a challenger. Me faces is here about the radio personalities over here. They just can't some quack without having facts and stuffs. and instead of them to promote the works now, they rather promote the violence. Like in Tokwane and somebody they promote you, but good music now and they don't do it. And as a media personality and a radio personality, you have to follow your artists and know what they are doing. Because the ultimate boss are called they free, Shatawale they free now. Me know Timmy Krum now on Bonabeji Miskadia. It's very weird because you know say I'm upcoming and maybe I'm
and true, Masha, a bit American. There's so many people out there they can help you guys. And you're gonna find and you're very much duped, but obey me address and you're going to say Nipper be a way to my now boy and you're any so what I say, no follow you make a camera nipano, especially DJs. Following the comedy panel and my explanation and the details of the song which came back and my panel said, oh, after all, many of my boy FM 34 Jide, Abo, encouraging say on far more than Embra. Not the one say, one human one can wrong, Nanka mock horritating. Oh, but among yes, sir, the Troboisi, a precipitation of me. I do come and so crying as a master. My tip, one, me said, I'm who you freestyle to a freestyle, what I say. And then, you know, me never heard you freestyle. One Kelena, the Gibbon studio. Even so, now, so one kill it to you. So one kill it to you. What you go to you? Me Judy. Go dinner. One look at your master. I'll be the pound. You what I say? Charlie, and my assembly crowd. What I say? You're going to freestyle, and by bar ever try comedy deals. What I'm trying to say, Magra Bessie, deals.
Yeah, I already know. Jinsimin B.A. Get me who sit die. Forget your fee. Some Moki Kanina. I can't be the host up. Okay, till Massa, come off from my face to keep head now. What's the echo to me to me shoelace? When you back up again, I'm a shot to face. Fake news everywhere, but I put on my real face. Academy comedy and come how on the same. What them hope for to show me the air, then. Me so the piolas or what men so lie, ben. Fidays and then I would try now on the ben. Big up to wear my real Jesus that go my line. Blue cross zone, go in my pussy line. The more I boss it, because it's a line. Can tackle sight for one girl line. You don't show me love past any artist for here. May tell me Chamo Lamborghini and I beer. You there for me 247. I know the fear. Some of the catch up see a better. Oh yeah, or see a dear with chow or nana. Papa, you want to sing your copa mount. Bully is in your mind. Chanisha me and Fatami and what time a day officer say they are to Adaka. A big cramagitum and I'm a dipa against one and I'm 7 so member. Nana me yada or fear washada. What Tom means some years Jim Crab Boca. I come for the brain and if you am enough from see my family who are dreaming a few messes. My dear Shamoacha was a make us Stone boy to me could do one in my shut and them. Shouts to all the DJs who they play my songs, presenters, promoters who they put me on. Babylon saloon drivers and all my dons. Make cash lake still the baby girls and make pons. I think several as a second to me table. The both shows I can see if you know to me CB. This one young couple national me but me GD I did them feature to say me I was semi CB. What's your baby so that's all ya damn your man. Oh, tell me what can they say me show? Me say na me na kasa pe mo. What da de jam turn to my baby flow. Hey na ben na baba be cham. Ochiami and Kasana Radio Masumwa, V8 never pet, me baba bechao. Shouts to all my niggas who they follow me for Twitter. Hey, Facebook, any Insta. Whoever share my video or start name a picture. Uni me fear banabejo hamper. Hey, till, share, but we me feel nobody to look upon like a man. Oh, we be for a penny yonko kind. Oh, the episode show one we see to watch in the hole. Shani for some man you make us na feel you been a disikato. Well, if you are now don't forget to hammer. And yes, no man as a man caught now. City and so toy and a fatality. The Jenny Hall, best well how. I want to renew to Mamu Pena or Becow. The watching a kind of penny pony I had down. The episode hit to Precopa say I had down. Yeah, no, my many was in the soon as Shammy Day. We both my friend will be so the abbey. And to see about today when you are Susan Bravo, yeah, do know. And you are hoarding. Every business a story to tell. I don't wanna fool who I ever felt. These niggas we can see I go flop, but I'm just on the low key. My brother, all is well. The hungry just told me your life lessons. No, it's all you do to my blessings. Don't show me love with your words, but your actions. Be a boy fly so high, and I many I can't end up picking runnings. Chana Bechana Swanka was
boss man, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, one cassette to say. Hey, one cassette to say. Hey. Na just your hole. Charlie Safaway, move by a deal off. And there you know what I say. we are looking for you. So this is the time to come up with everything that you got. So what yes, yeah. Nana, what's Boza. Hey, tell us how. You just want to get about come do music over display.
Oh, I'm 10 bits crack, I'm making
some people are gifted seriously. But yeah, just time, yeah, Charlie. They said, oh, too much, Charlie. Also, we can say how to do things. Boss, man. Hey, Charlie. Oh, man, you do too much. Nana. I know this is Chima. Oh. I feel like you blow baby because with this, you got everything, Master Bro. You get everything.
That's it.
Charlie, look, Mabao, according to music, no raps, you meet a whole lot of challenges. Now, Master, my stuff, what challenges a woman and you told me the same.
Well, I was longing for you to ask me this question because I did have a pa. And I'm a bigger platform BTC Nanka, my chairman, we are seeing
you having the platform there, what's a young call?
Because we are doing music, men for only myself. The other artists are they are also forcing back. Media and especially the entertainment media are more talking about the radio people. They don't really help us. DJs and the presenters or in the sense who artists now Hanobe on their cost of a different problem. I catch you say be a peka crabra. Now watch a crown crossing called Bebonium loud, and I'll be bonium najinum one must say we are singing in art to crampa, and I'll be being a taste for it and have you. Who free one see you free me about. And again, they don't promote good works now, they don't follow the artists and know what they are doing. Because if you go to Accra, you ain't even go far Accra, we can't go to Accra. If you are not able to conquer your zone, how can you conquer the whole?
You can't. Ube you be near simple mind, can you answer now?
For Naso media, because media no mona mukita, mukita audience in this year. And artist is like a product. It said you be branding the pan and now be kind of once them be more be quando so be penny panet. But yeah, DJs presenters no more selfish. On person will be cool and like if you say be on no born more hype be and now they promote attitude, not talent. Into your fan is okay, boy, to me show say crowd dressing can not attire so just because of
that and they're wrong because you can't look at some of their parents and gender
that's how they are
because there are so many people around most of them who major say one way or the whole company or the application
it's very true. Me anytime you are catch on say even being a media person you shouldn't be like you shouldn't favor people like be a neutral person. Because when you artists obey blast.
So yeah, when them say you want to help people there, yes. But I don't really know. Maybe nipana be a woman some attitude be a say be a one you usually give a fuck about him now because you take any one more attitude be say them over some attitude be in form of real but say I don't know what I'm doing as later out there. I don't know player. I also mafia.
Me most of the DJs and presenters I mean make encounter. So I'm kind of crowd. They know how I am. You be on me. Sometimes people say boy on board there. This recently I heard some radio talking about me saying boy they on bomb that crana mumbo. And then yes, in Ghana, if you make us a touchman, if you refuse people to infringe upon your right, I say umbuade. Ubu kwasi achena so we need to be no target so umbuade. Do you know say FM Gaskia FM almost sake presenter be just because to host two more shows so how almost sake no. Say me the meeting me be a presenter after say they never free me or hono man ntokwa gidi ho. And I idea na sa radio corona site to radio no so didi matter. So how do you expect me to do like me nya mo hwe me niema media ne dia me no se me ka ji section na me host to me am show ha e release me EP was the first and ever biggest one. Emma media for ni nyina me ma obi invitation the t-shirts kan ho expecting them say they will come. That very same day na me program and me my flyers I who advert 1 month before na that same day Gaskia for your show the same time the same venue into show clear was saying started by 5 no show no cost start around 1 and I draw 1 but the Nyamia Castle be no dey obey most of the DJs were many one making encounter and they teach my DJs per se and so on to say Nyame but you hit and I say even having quite and damufi
and then I did me can because if you are willing to help somebody also if you are coming with so what I say it doesn't matter who the person is, how the person is. You need to be very straight.
That's
you need
love.
to be very honest. You don't have to put it in a way. You guys will put it in a way. Say, oh, paddy. If you want to come in a form of a reality, or if you want to be real, you have to be realistic to everybody. So what I say, you guys will just in the form say, yeah.
That's how they play songs here.
But I mean, and I make come because I can't media. We are not here to come along with this kind of stuff. It is say, bring everything that you got. That's what I say. We want people who are smart, who are willing to fight to get to the top. So what I say, it's about after all this media is not your money, they are not helping you people. About how do you even do things yourself to just make people get fame of you?
Yeah, for now, let me say big ups to Confidation, big ups to Nana Komia, and everybody supporting because me and Panyophobia or who they woman.
Yeah.
They try in any other means on the one or my craft song. Yeah, I'm here for recording. If I need money for video shoot and stuff, Hong Kong they help me, and me fans because they have held me till this time. You must to me because people don't play my songs on air. Me won't continue more air, but me in German. If you want, touch my heart.
Okay.
It's all about the good works now. Yeah, and to me who say it's not the media, but it's God and your hard work. Media no more power more. By the time will come, I'm be crying in your way.
And I want about teaching myself. I see you.
Yeah, my friend say oh me boy boy.
Okay.
But me hana me nyine de me ba hana me obey a year. So this is why school me
go school
yeah, but me to school no so baby.
Yeah, so it's more like say
me free teach my
because over high age of 1 that means you your whole life is being here. So what I'm trying to say. Fine. So what I want to know for sure is about, are you willing to say you want to take this music to get to the top and you can make it? Yeah?
Oh yeah, for real, man. And then the army can say no mama music loan and I say be a mama craft loan and make a GB. So me hokram the best hour because I believe in my craft and I know what is in me. And it's not about talking, it's about the works. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and know the works I'm doing. But I can't sometimes I call myself an uncovered star. Like Nyaminyam BM, so but Nyami BM, so the whole world will know what I'm doing.
And then let me tell you this, and let me make yourself what time as because this is the moment that you need to focus and work hard to be in the line. The moment you get to be in the line, massa trouble, everything is going to be fine. One thing I want to say to you guys who are watching us, massa, say, oh, gift to be, and I said, we are good at something. No, be discouraged at the corner where you good at. And fatal, that's what you know. Say, for some in something that you're not good at. At the end of the day, you are going to blame yourself. Who blame Nipana and Ye because your own answer, moment the gift was in your hand. Won't know how to come out with it, and I will be discourage you from that. I don't know what I say when you want to coming back to that. That means what back to square one because I can offer every question what do baby. So what I'm going to tell you right now is son would this so then you have to keep going. You guys will be I know a seminar say will be a new seminar be reaction be whatever that you are doing. What I said. A bit of I say it's mine. Radio DJs they don't play your music because Oko Gaskia ama Obikwa who still honor because it makes sense to me because
very true.
Nipana o Gaskia for the man. On no the people who my friend Hustina. Okona say ka wo hwe nipa no say nipa no idea or their ban e be kwa na say enko but say you have seen any results out of it na say what ba pam nipa na e unfair. That means it's like nipa no wo nipa no adwumi e e say wo tiri na wo yes e bi so anan bia de make can say bi na nipa na on hosting be a one for the right way so na do hosting I don't know but I mean they may expect to say things will be very good and fine because DJ some more around. More upcoming or more I star we say called the friend is or Bradford name friend is saying Shatawale Monyo or they already a star. If you really want to help the upcoming team, you start playing their songs, encourage them, but not do things that will discourage them. Because I hope said that day look on yes I think say.
Oh, frankly speaking, I'm gonna have the biggest motivation and to me release this song. Me not tight in my tryout. It was in it because me catch a guy in the say now the TV bomb sorry radio bomb at my watch. Me only TV station.
Look, let's wrap everything and put everything here. One thing is that before I send me an interview, there was some scribe here. They made a comment for me, say I should ask you, but I will really ask you. So what I said, and I want you to say something to your friends who are watching you right now. So what I said. Because I'm freestyle and what I say, and the cipher I beg you, cipher no. Nana One is going to have a chat. The red and the name Nana One. Not chat now. I knew sir he's going to share the chat number with you guys. What I say. So do this cipher now. Over to a new video no. The comment section now. Now I draw Nana One plus the chat number now on the other amount. Now the account. I then just say what we tired. Aman, so what I say. So I want you to tell all your friends to expect the cipher coming and how you are going to perform and how proud you're going to make them. So they are cool.
Hey, yo, big ups to everybody supporting the team from day one. Must support me, yeah. Young Rich, why are there? Aru, Charlie, Ohima, Charlie, all the family, people they support the team. Now this is a bigger opportunity and a platform for us to move a step forward. More many challenges are you facing. Again, media is here to help us. So I'm just urging everybody, maybe also upcoming to send me, just have to be part so that we all will make Techiman proud. Because we don't make proud, and I am not Techiman make it proud for radio or whatever. We are making Techiman proud, not in you for our more I am so near to say so your money. So you and I can do it, and you and I can do it. Aken Media is here to help us. So big ups to all the Muslim in the family, everybody supporting from day one. Big ups to you, Confidation, DJ Clever, Outaibo, Misha, and everybody supporting the movement.
Charlie, and then what I say, Nana One and Oteno, what's up on what I say. So I was a massa, morning down and tanachi because you're passionate. That's and then you know, no born everything that he does entertains you. Stay tuned and follow him as he said. But I say, okay, Facebook, he's there. Okay, YouTube channel, he's there. Okay, Instagram, he's there. What I say, let's support him. But I'm going to say, move to man during the cipher. So what's the trying to say? We are at entertainment interview one-on-one with Nana One. So what I say, and then today, Nana One, and then they might be surprised because this is the first time who live. So who giving us points lines near. All these lines, what I said, it was dope, it was massive. What I said, it's very good. But what I'm going to say is, more bimbo bimbo be your Muntina Yaba. What I said, we are here to stay. We are here to just filter around. We are here to stay. So what you guys need to do is to work hard. Because if you don't work hard, you can't get there. Saturday, not on now. What I say, baby, Sakwa they want to move, Sakwa they want to go. What I say, what bears over this level. If Sakwa is Sakwa there now, that means you also have a chance to be Nana One tomorrow.
For real.
So what I say, there might be young boy. All this kind of upcoming artists in Massa, Mama we show crying on my baby. So what I'm trying to say, especially Aquari, Flexion. Flexion, I'm the first way reaction, and then One. Who knows tomorrow what is going to be? So what I said, more relaxing, more than ever. I'm praying, say, gospel artists now, maybe your interviews, and I hope say they are in, they are watching me. Massa, be quick and come in and work hard and practice hard. Time in the best song, Swan, Massa is going to be bass, man. What I say, every kind of live ways now, because we studio, now you're quite a big platform, live ways in there, because we're doing the cipher. All I need for you is pray to God. Say, because my home, they know coronavirus near them and feel mommy. When we ever now, so now that chair, Mr. Ben, Italy. Let me share encouragement, thought and good thoughts. Our woman, PBR in yourself, good advisor, good motivator, and I really enjoy you and I really love you, man. Good, homie. Sweet set, Sister Vida, Sister Vida, I really love him. I love the kind. I haven't met a kind of sister like you ever in my life before. Harry, you are the best. Raken, Michelle, Sandy Grandi, I love you, man. Charlie, everything is going to be fine. Tina one, maybe I know maybe show. What I say. Or more or no, more in lines in music. That's what I say. They are all watching you. One thing that I want you to know that never lose hope. And if you are not in a message, not in a point, without God it's impossible. Let's go to your messages. Ray Joe or Casa Free Richie. I said number one, I really love your music. That's what I said. One thing for sure that I really want to do is say, are you sure that I can trust you in the cipher?
Oh, for real. They shouldn't worry at all. We cry emphasis with your comedies. The near man I be any the Asha Coco. So I say,
Coco. What I say, Coco. A dose dear by me can only 2% by yes, okay. You also say, Nana one. You are very beautiful. Will you marry me? Hey, Patrick, really mess it up. Also, now, how are you? Per Buffalo. So, open Yapon, so I met my link in a month. And I can't determine what I say. I don't do what you see. What I say, number 7 because we are say, Massa video. Share.
Mammy must shut out some mammy coffee. If I want, found one dream parliament, be what dream parliament. If we are some chairman in our Gaspar, big up to you, Mr. My fans in our seminar, Beck, the Chiman hitmaker, yeah. Your track the debate out featuring my own girl actors, so they should expect it next week. But I drop it bomb be next week. Okay. It's a rappers and also me rappers and to be true challenge among my dick to challenge.
I ask them all. That I'm going to go. I'm not going to ask that to print the power. And do all to rap on the show, rap moves in a fish and you're great idea. So I said, Charlie. And we be asked so you know to share what I say I can entertainment moving into the cipher. So what's the channel say? Mr. Share my videos. Every video between me and mon share. Who come YouTuber subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like click at the man. Send a any video I put there will be notification. Don't with me I should be first. So what I say when you entertainment moving to the cipher, what I say I give it to you 1 and 2 and deals.